Hey guys, and welcome back. In the last video, we saw the hello world script and also we learned some more examples of bash scripting. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the echo command. It's a very important command because we use this command a lot in our bash scripting. So bash echo is a command in bash shell that writes its arguments to standard output. Now whatever you see in the terminal is because of echo command being executed by other programs. So which means anything that is published or printed on the terminal is because echo command is being used by other programs to print that into the terminal. We have already seen how to use echo command. If you remember in the last video also, we have written something like this: echo space and then the string. Now here we have the choice to add one option here. There are three options available with echo command that we are going to see one by one now. The first option is for trailing outline. I'll just show an example to let you understand what it means. So this was our script with two echo commands and a read command. So I'll just make the changes here. First of all, we have to enter the insert mode. So just hit escape key and then hit I. So that will make us enter the insert mode. Let me make some changes here. I'll change the echo also. Let us make this hello world. Alright. Now since we are talking about the first option for the echo command, the first option talks about the trailing outline. So we have to omit the trailing outline. So which means we just have to add here -n, then we just have to hit escape key and then :W, hit enter and it will be saved. Now we have to enter our terminal and then we have to run our file, that is hello world. Now when I'm going to run this command, you will be able to observe the change. And the change here is that as soon as the message was finished displaying, there was no next line. So the message was displayed on the terminal and there was no trailing new line, which means we did not get any new line after the printing of the message. And in the same line, we got the prompt of the terminal. So this is the first option. Now let's talk about the second option. The second option is about enabling the interpretation of / escaped characters. So let's see what it means. Just hit escape key and then I, and then we have to remove this n and we will enter small e. But before saving the file, we have to add here /n so that hello is in a different line and world is in a different line. Now escape :W, hit enter, it's saved. And then let's get back to our terminal. Let me clear everything out. And then now let's run our script. And now you can observe that hello is in a different line, world is in a different line, because we have entered /n, which is used to enter a new line, a blank line, so that hello is in a different line and world is in a different line. And because of this option that we have used -e, the echo command is interpreting / escaped characters. So this was the second option. Now in the third option, we can disable the interpretation of / escaped characters. First of all, so we have to use the escape command, then I, and we have to remove this E and then make it a capital E. Alright, then escape :W. This will save the file. Now this is the third option that we can use with the escape command, and this is going to disable the interpretation of / escaped characters, which means this /n will be printed literally. So I'll just run it here and show what it means. And you can observe that the /n has been displayed literally. It has no meaning whatsoever. So whatever we have written here in our script has been printed literally. So that is the meaning of the third option, that is -E, which disables the interpretation of backslash escape characters. So I hope you were able to understand how echo command works in the bash script, and we have seen the three options that are available with echo command. The first was the -N, second was -e, then the third was -E, and we have seen the working of all these three options. So that's all for the echo command. In the next video, we are going to talk about the bash comments, how to write single line and multiple line or multi-line comments. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.